Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Before you dig into this video, don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Hey friends, and welcome back. So in the spirit of it's almost spring and it's time to travel, I thought we should do some travel related home decor. Let's go ahead and take a look at some Palm Springs inspired home decor. Don't forget to subscribe and let's kick this video off now. Okay friends, so as I stated, we are starting in Palm Springs. Now we're going to start on the exterior of the home. Now, something for you to notice, most of the homes in Palm Springs are white or very light. The reason for this is due to the arid conditions Palm Springs homes have to endure. You're surrounded by the desert, you're surrounded by mountain ranges, and white reflects the sun's heat. Something else for you to notice, if you've noticed that white fence that kind of looks like concrete, you are right. These are called breeze blocks. Now this was made popular in the 60s and 70s, and they are actually cinder blocks that have been stacked and designed to create a mosaic or other pattern. Now these are usually used outside, and their primary purpose is to offer privacy to the homeowners while also allowing a breeze to flow easily through, of course, due to the desert conditions. So probably the most distinct element of a Palm Springs home would be the roofs. I know, would you really think to look at a roof? But if you're in the Palm Springs area, you will notice one thing. You see a lot of flat roofs and a lot of butterfly roofs. Now, not only is it really important to keep the views untouched, so everyone has a great view of your surroundings, but also it makes the homes more energy efficient in terms of lighting, ventilation, and heating. Okay, so before we head inside, one really other fun feature you may see on a lot of the Palm Springs homes exteriors are really popping front doors. And I mean pops of jewel tones, pops of pastels, just really bright and bold front doors. And this is actually so popular here. They actually have a couple of tours in the area that take you on tours of the neighborhoods to see all of the really fun and interesting front doors. I personally think that because so many homes are white or light or neutral, it gives your home a personality. It allows you to put your thumbprint on your home. So now let's take a look at the inside of the home. Now I did not divide this up by rooms. I just kind of threw everything in there, and I love the fact that I did that because you are going to get a true in-your-face look at what this Palm Springs home decor style is all about. So if you are noticing already, okay, a Palm Springs home is going to feature, even though we are in the desert, you're going to have some bright earthy colors, whether they are blues, greens. You are definitely going to see some corals, but you have different intensities that you can do this style. Like this room is neutral. However, other rooms may be wild and crazy like this one, which I love. Now, Palm Springs home decor is almost a mix of mid-century modern, and I'm trying to put my finger on what the other style is. It's not really maximalist, it's more so like a boho style, if that makes sense. So it's like a mid-century modern boho, but then you have some rooms that are more on the elegant side, like this one. You have some rooms that are more luxurious, but just about each room that you have is going to be filled with color. Palm Springs home decor just really breathes life into a room. You're going to see bright colors or colors in general. You're going to see patterns. You're going to see flowers. You're going to see stripes. You're going to see all these different elements that just really bring a vibrant feel to your room. So if you are a fan of mid-century modern, this definitely could be a style that you explore, whether you choose to go all out like this room or make it a little more subdued and neutral. It may be a style that you end up falling in love with for years. Now, indoor and outdoor living is also really big in California in general, but especially in Palm Springs. So if you want to recreate this look in your home, listen up. Now, a lot of Palm Springs homes really make sure that the home is connected with the landscape and the outdoor areas. So you can entertain on the inside, you can entertain on the outside. And a lot of time that line is blurred just by opening a wall or a window. So we already talked about the characteristic of having an indoor-outdoor room, but one thing that is just almost synonymous with Palm Springs living is basically the backyard entertainment, especially in terms of a pool. A lot of homes in Palm Springs have a pool. Keep in mind that it is hot there, smack dab in the middle of the desert. So you're going to want to have a place to really just cool off, especially in the evenings, and relax. And also outdoor entertainment centers, pools can be a really cool place just to gather with friends, and it really becomes the center point of your activities for the evening. So a lot of people at homes that I have seen in Palm Springs use a faux grass, which is going to be similar to AstroTurf, but a lot better looking. Keep in mind that you are in the desert. It's going to be very difficult for certain plants and flowers to stay alive. A lot of people use cacti and succulents to really make their landscaping pop. Okay friends, so that was today's video. Don't forget to like, share it with other home decor lovers, and of course subscribe to the channel. This has been another And Then There Was Style video, but if you want to see more, check out one of these two right here. I will see you in the next video. Bye friends.